One sunny afternoon, Ivanka Trump was looking through a book about beautiful gardens around the world when she saw the most magnificent Persian rose gardens. They were so colorful and peaceful, with little bumblebees buzzing happily between the flowers. Beneath the picture was a serious message about, well, something very official and important. But all Ivanka could think was, wow, those roses are way prettier than the ones at our golf courses. So she did what anyone would do. She wrote a letter, with her favorite strawberry-scented pen, saying, "Dear leader of Iran, your gardens are absolutely delightful. How do you keep your roses so red without using those chemical plant foods? Asking for a friend who may or may not be my dad's groundskeeper." Imagine everyone's surprise when 2 weeks later, a reply arrived by special messenger pigeon. The letter said, "Dear American gardening enthusiast, the secret is talking to plants and giving them little compliments. Also, special Persian sunshine. Would you like some seeds?" Soon they were pen pals. Ivanka sent over packets of American bluebonnet seeds with little smiley faces drawn on them. In return, she got mysterious seeds that grew into flowers nobody could pronounce, but smelled amazing. The White House gardeners were very confused, but kept quiet because the flowers really were lovely. Meanwhile, serious government people in suits would try to have very important meetings about Iran, but then someone would say, "Wait, before we discuss anything, the first daughter needs us to water her new Persian flowers. She says they're feeling shy today." And everyone would sigh, but go check on the flowers because they didn't want to be rude to plants. The funniest part? The leaders' doctors had to get involved when they started exchanging dessert recipes. "No more honey baklava until you finish your vegetables," Iran's leader's doctor would say. "But it's for international relations," he'd argue, while secretly hiding sticky fingers behind his back. In the end, the two countries discovered that sometimes making friends is as simple as sharing flower seeds and dessert recipes. And while the world waited for big political solutions, the gardens at both the White House and in Iran became the most beautiful they'd ever been, with extra bees, extra honey, and lots of extra smiles. Though the Secret Service did have to explain why there was suddenly a Persian cat napping in the rose garden. But that's a story for another day.